All right, what's going on, everybody? So today is July 26th. It is a Friday. I'm going to do a market close analysis. I know the market's still technically open, but I'm done trading for the day. So today I took 3 trades today, and I only won 1 trade. 2 of the trades that I took could have honestly just been avoided if I would have just followed my trading plan. But it is what it is. We still took one. We're up 1% for the day today, because I go for 1 to 3 risk to reward on every single trade. So we took 3, lost 2, so we're up 1%. We're still green overall for the weekend, which is really good. So for gold, yesterday I did say that we were looking for sales if price hit any one of our areas here. So this morning we tapped into our zone, but we didn't get no entry confirmation. And as you can see, just like how I said yesterday, I'll be interested in buys if we break this previous lower high, which did happen here. So next week on Monday, what I'm going to be looking for is buys. I'm going to be looking for buys on gold. I think it's going to be a great week next week, especially if this trend has flipped from bearish to bullish. We will definitely be able to catch some good buys for next week. So I'm going to be interested, really interested next week on gold. So gold, what I'll be looking for is I'll be looking for price to bounce off of this area, or this area for buys. So that's what we're going to be looking at next week. NAS 100, I took 2 trades from NAS 100. I ended up losing 1 and winning 1 as well. So if you scroll to the 5-minute time frame, this happened like around the afternoon. So let me hit the replay bar for you guys. So as you can see, this is what it looked like. I was bearish on NAS 100. I was waiting for price to break this level, retest with the fair value gap, and that's exactly what happened. So price came down, broke this level, left the fair value gap, entered like this, stops at the swing high, and as you can see, we had a 1 to 3. It was in and out. It was quick. It was in and out. I was done. This happened in like 5-10 minutes. So we got tapped in. That's 5 minutes, and then we straight went down in like 2 minutes, and then this candle closed down here. It was a quick like 5 to 8 minute scalp. We got our 1 to 3 risk to reward. We should have been done for the day, but later on through the day, I saw this. I saw this happen. I saw this huge wick rejection here at this level, indicating that price wants to keep going to the downside. We left the fair value gap. It's a beautiful, it's a beautiful re-entry trade. So I took another trade. I was like, okay, if price comes back to this fair value box over here, I'm going to take another trade. I'm going to go like this. Stops at the top and go for a 1 to 3, and that's exactly what I did. And as you can see, we got tapped in, and then it started off doing pretty well, and then we left this bullish fair value gap, and then we got stopped out. So that happens. It is what it is. To be honest, to me, this looked like a perfect sell-off point to go to the downside to this level here, but it's not what we got. The market's going to do whatever it does. So it is what it is. SPX, we didn't trade SPX today. There wasn't any clean setups for me to take on SPX. I took a trade off of NAS 100, this is the one that I shouldn't have traded. I broke my trading plan today. I will say that I did break my trading plan. I was on the live stream. I even said it on the live stream. I'm just like, hey, I'm going to break my trading plan. I know I shouldn't, but this 5-minute setup just looked too good. So let me explain why I broke my trading plan. So as you can see, let me erase this real quick. So on the 1 hour time frame, we were making lower lows and lower highs, but then you get this double bottom. You have this double bottom. We get this huge breakout. So now we have changed from bearish to bullish. So when the market opened this morning, I was like, yo, I need to be looking for buys on US 30. So when market opened, we were at my level here, exactly right here where I had marked up. And I was kind of teetering because we never really got a nice support area in this level or this level. We got a minor one down here. But anyways, the trend has flipped from bearish to bullish. I should have been only looking for buys. So I scaled down to the 5-minute time frame. This is what it looked like. We had this nice, beautiful break of structure to the downside, coming off of our 1 hour area of interest. All this bearish momentum, a nice fair value gap that was left behind. This is what it looked like. We had this, it's a small fair value gap, but you'd be surprised these things be doing damage. We have this just bearish momentum. So I took the trade. I entered once we got to this level here. We, stops above. As you can see, we get tapped in, and then we just get, the price starts going in my favor. At this point, I'm like, yeah, this is gonna be a great setup, good day. And then market opens, New York market opens, and completely just destroys me. The good thing is that I had a stop loss, so we only lost 1% of the account. But the thing is, I went against my plan. If I would have just stuck to my plan, stuck to my bias, I knew that this trend was no longer bearish, it was bullish. This loss should have never happened. That's going to be on me. And I can tell you right now that I'm not going to make that mistake again. I'm going to stick to my trading plan no matter what it takes. I mean, at the end of the day, we're still human. This looked like a beautiful setup. It was just that the trend was not in my favor. I was trading against the trend, and the trend is your best friend, and he wants you to make money. So make sure you guys keep that in mind. But that's pretty much the market update for my close. I'm definitely really excited for next week because it seems like we're definitely flipping from bearish to bullish. We had a bearish run for like the past 2 weeks. So next week, I'm definitely going to be looking for higher highs and higher lows to be created to ride the wave to the upside, which is going to be very exciting, very exciting. I'm excited for gold for the buys, and I'm excited for US 30 for buys. NAS 100, hopefully by market open next week sometime, maybe by like Monday or Tuesday, we finally flip bullish and we can start taking buys. But as of now, we'll still be taking sells until we get a break of structure to the upside. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your trader friends, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys on Monday. Actually, I'll be posting a video on Sunday as to what I will be expecting or looking for Monday when market opens. Bright and early, join the Discord. It's absolutely free. I'll be trading there every single day, catching wins. I've been on a good hot streak. The past 2 weeks have been amazing. So hopefully next week we have a great week as well. You guys have a good weekend. I'll see you guys Monday. See you guys in the Discord.